Welcome to Spirituality Source, a channel for personal growth retreats and events. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. In today's busy world, it can be challenging to find moments of peace and relaxation. This is where Zen meditation comes in. Zen meditation is a practice that has been around for centuries and has been shown to improve overall well-being. It is a simple yet effective way to calm your mind and achieve a state of inner peace. In this video, we will explore the various techniques of Zen meditation, the benefits it offers, and how to practice it daily. With a little bit of patience and practice, you can experience a clearer mind, improved concentration, and a more relaxed state of being. So let's dive into the world of Zen meditation and learn how to incorporate this ancient practice into our daily lives. What is Zen meditation and how does it work? Zen meditation is a form of meditation that originated in China and later spread throughout East Asia, then to the all direction of the planet Earth. It is a style of meditation that focuses on mindfulness and breath awareness. Zen meditation is rooted in the Buddhist tradition and is often associated with the practice of mindfulness. The practice of Zen meditation involves sitting in a comfortable and upright position with a straight back. The focus is on the breath and being present in the moment. The goal is to empty the mind of thoughts and distractions, allowing for a clearer and more focused state of being. How Zen meditation works? Zen meditation works by slowing down the frenetic pace of our minds and allowing us to become more present and aware. By focusing on the breath and letting go of thoughts and distractions, we become more connected with ourselves and the world around us. This can lead to a greater sense of clarity, calmness, and well-being. Studies have shown that regular practice of Zen meditation can have many benefits, including reduced stress and anxiety, improved sleep, increased focus and productivity, and enhanced overall well-being. By making Zen meditation a daily practice, we can cultivate a deeper sense of peace and balance in our lives. The benefits of Zen meditation for mental and physical health. Zen meditation, also known as Zazen, has numerous benefits for both mental and physical health. It helps in reducing stress and anxiety, which are common mental health issues faced by many individuals today. By practicing Zen meditation, you learn to focus on your breath and body, which helps in calming your mind and reducing stress levels. This can lead to a reduction in symptoms of anxiety and depression. Moreover, practicing Zen meditation can also lead to an improvement in physical health. It helps in reducing high blood pressure, which is a common problem faced by many individuals. It also helps in improving the immune system, leading to better overall health. Another physical benefit of Zen meditation is that it helps in reducing chronic pain. By focusing on your breath and body, you become more aware of your body's sensations, which can help in reducing pain levels. This is particularly beneficial for individuals suffering from chronic pain conditions. Additionally, Zen meditation can help in improving sleep quality. Poor sleep is a common problem faced by many individuals, and it can lead to a range of health issues. By practicing Zen meditation before bed, you can help in calming your mind and promoting relaxation, leading to better quality sleep. Overall, the benefits of Zen meditation for mental and physical health are numerous. By incorporating this practice into your daily routine, you can experience improved well-being and lead a healthier, more balanced life. How to prepare for Zen meditation. Before you begin your Zen meditation practice, it's important to prepare yourself both physically and mentally to ensure a successful session. Here are some tips on how to prepare for Zen meditation. 1. Choose a quiet and comfortable space. Find a space where you won't be easily disturbed by external noises or interruptions. It could be a quiet room in your home, a garden, or a park. Ensure that the space is clean and tidy, and choose a comfortable cushion or chair to sit on. 2. Wear comfortable clothing. Wear loose and comfortable clothing that won't restrict your breathing or movement. Avoid wearing anything too tight or constricting. 3. Practice on an empty stomach. It's best to practice Zen meditation on an empty stomach, as a full stomach can make you feel uncomfortable and distract you from focusing on your breath. If you're hungry, have a light snack before practicing. 4. Set a timer. Zen meditation is typically practiced for around 20 to 30 minutes. Set a timer to ensure that you don't go over or under the recommended time. 5. Take a few deep breaths. Before you begin your Zen meditation, take a few deep breaths to calm your mind and body. This will help you to relax and focus your attention on your breath. 6. Let go of expectations. Zen meditation is not about achieving a certain state of mind or reaching a specific goal. Let go of any expectations or judgments and simply focus on the present moment. With these tips in mind, you'll be able to prepare yourself for a successful Zen meditation practice, leading to a clearer mind and improved well-being. Techniques for Zen meditation, including sitting and walking meditation. Zen meditation, also known as Zazen, is a seated practice that encourages mindfulness and self-awareness. It involves sitting in a specific posture, focusing on the breath, and observing the mind without judgment. To start with, find a quiet and comfortable place to sit, preferably on a cushion or mat. Sit with your legs crossed and your hands resting on your knees, palms facing up or down. Keep your spine straight, shoulders relaxed, and chin tucked in slightly. Next, focus on your breath. Breathe deeply in and out through your nose, paying attention to the sensation of air moving in and out of your body. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Walking meditation, or kinhin, is another technique used in Zen meditation. It involves walking slowly and mindfully, paying attention to the sensations in your body and the environment around you. To practice kinhin, find a quiet and safe space to walk back and forth in a straight line. Walk slowly with your arms at your sides. How to focus on your breath during meditation. One of the primary techniques of Zen meditation is to focus on the breath. Our breath is a constant in our lives and can serve as a powerful anchor to bring us back to the present moment. When we focus on our breath, we can let go of the distractions of the outside world and find a sense of calm. To begin, find a quiet space where you can sit or lie down comfortably. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold for a few seconds and then release the breath slowly through your mouth. Repeat this for a few breaths, focusing on the sensation of the air moving in and out of your body. Now, allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. Focus on the sensation of the air moving in and out of your nostrils. Be aware of the coolness of the air as you inhale and the warmth as you exhale. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to the sensation of your breath. As you continue to focus on your breath, you may notice that your mind becomes more calm and clear. You may also become more aware of your body and the sensations within it. This can help to reduce stress and anxiety and promote a greater sense of well-being. Remember, meditation is a practice, and it may take time to develop the ability to focus your mind. Be patient and gentle with yourself, and try to practice for a few minutes each day. With time and practice, you may find that meditation becomes an important part of your daily routine, helping you to cultivate a clearer mind and improved well-being. How to practice mindful breathing during daily activities? Mindful breathing is a simple yet effective technique that can easily be incorporated into your daily routine. Mindful breathing during daily activities is to set reminders throughout the day. For example, you could set an alarm on your phone to go off every hour, reminding you to take a few deep breaths and focus on your breath for a minute or two. Another way to practice mindful breathing is to use it as a tool to calm your mind when you feel stressed or overwhelmed. Take a moment to pause and focus on your breath, breathing in deeply and exhaling slowly. This can help to calm your mind and reduce feelings of anxiety or stress. You can also practice mindful breathing during activities such as yoga, meditation, or even while walking or exercising. By focusing on your breath and being present in the moment, you can enhance your experience and feel more grounded and centered. Incorporating mindful breathing into your daily routine can have numerous benefits for your well-being, including reducing stress and anxiety, improving focus and concentration, and promoting relaxation and better sleep. With regular practice, you can cultivate a clearer mind and a greater sense of inner peace and balance. Tips for maintaining a regular Zen meditation practice. Maintaining a regular Zen meditation practice can be challenging, but it is essential if you want to experience the full benefits of this ancient practice. Here are some tips to help you stay on track with your daily Zen meditation routine. 1. Set aside a specific time each day for your practice. This can be early in the morning, right before bed, or any other time that works best for you. Try to stick to the same time each day, as this will help you establish a habit. 2. Create a dedicated space for your practice. This can be a corner of your room, a cushion, or a small altar. Whatever it is, make sure it is comfortable and peaceful, and free from distractions. 3. Start with short meditation sessions. If you are new to Zen meditation, start with just a few minutes each day and gradually increase the length of your sessions as you become more comfortable with the practice. 4. Use guided meditations. There are many apps and websites that offer guided meditations specifically for Zen meditation. These can be helpful, especially if you are just starting out. 5. Join a Zen meditation group. Practicing with others can be a great way to stay motivated and learn from more experienced practitioners. Check your local community centers or Zen centers to find a group near you. Remember, it takes time and practice to develop a regular Zen meditation routine. Don't beat yourself up if you miss a day or struggle with the practice, just keep coming back to it and you will eventually see the benefits. How to find a Zen meditation teacher or group. Finding a Zen meditation teacher or group can be a great way to deepen your practice and learn from experienced practitioners. There are several ways to find a teacher or group near you. One way to find a Zen teacher is to search online for Zen centers or meditation groups in your area. Many Zen centers offer regular meditation sessions, retreats, and workshops. You can also search for online meditation courses or virtual meditation groups if you prefer to practice from home. Another way to find a Zen teacher is to ask for recommendations from friends or family who practice meditation. They may know of a local teacher or group that they can recommend. You can also attend meditation events and workshops in your community. These events can be a great way to meet other meditators and learn more about different meditation practices. Many yoga studios, community centers, and health and wellness centers offer meditation classes and workshops. When you find a Zen teacher or group that you are interested in, it's important to try it out and see if it feels like a good fit. You may want to attend a few sessions or workshops to get a sense of the group style and approach to meditation. Overall, finding a Zen meditation teacher or group can be a great way to deepen your practice and connect with other meditators. There are many resources available to help you find a teacher or group that resonates with you, so don't be afraid to explore your options and try out different approaches to meditation. Common obstacles to Zen meditation and how to overcome them. Zen meditation is a powerful tool for improving your overall well-being, but it's not always easy to achieve. There are many obstacles that can get in the way of a successful meditation practice, but with a little effort and dedication, they can all be overcome. One of the most common obstacles to Zen meditation is simply finding the time to do it. In today's fast-paced world, it can be difficult to carve out even a few minutes of quiet time for yourself. To overcome this obstacle, try incorporating meditation into your daily routine. It could be as simple as waking up a few minutes earlier or taking a few minutes before bed to sit quietly and clear your mind. Another obstacle that many people face is an inability to quiet their thoughts. This is completely normal, especially for beginners. The key is to acknowledge these thoughts and then let them go. Don't judge yourself or try to force your mind to be still. Just keep returning to your breath and eventually, the thoughts will start to fade away. Physical discomfort can also be an obstacle to Zen meditation. If you're not used to sitting still for long periods of time, it's normal to experience some discomfort in your body. To overcome this, try experimenting with different sitting positions, or use props like cushions to make yourself more comfortable. Finally, lack of motivation can be a major obstacle to Zen meditation. If you're not seeing results right away or you're finding it hard to stay committed, try reminding yourself of why you started meditating in the first place. Keep a journal to track your progress and celebrate small victories along the way. Remember, the path to Zen meditation is not always easy, but with patience, dedication, and perseverance, you can overcome any obstacle and experience the many benefits of this powerful practice. Zen meditation is a powerful practice that can help you achieve a clearer mind, improved well-being, and a greater sense of inner peace. By incorporating these techniques into your daily routine, you can experience the full benefits of this age-old tradition. It's important to remember that meditation is a journey, and it takes time to develop a consistent practice. Don't get discouraged if you find it challenging at first. The key is to start with small steps, even if it's just 5 minutes a day, and gradually increase your practice as you become more comfortable. Remember, meditation is not about achieving a certain outcome or goal. It's about being present in the moment and letting go of any distracting thoughts or emotions. With practice, you'll find that Zen meditation becomes easier and more natural, and you'll begin to experience the profound benefits it has to offer. So, if you're looking for a way to improve your mental and physical well-being, reduce stress, and cultivate inner peace, I encourage you to give Zen meditation a try. With dedication and practice, you'll discover that the benefits extend far beyond your meditation cushion and into all areas of your life. We hope you enjoyed our video on Zen meditation, its techniques, benefits, and how to practice it daily for a clearer mind and improved well-being. We encourage you to give Zen meditation a try and see how it can positively impact your life. May you find peace and joy in every breath. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. See you soon again.